Welcome to grade 7. Welcome to your first Yoruba class. I'm sure you're going to have a swell time and you enjoy the class. Our topic for today is the Yoruba alphabet. Alifabeeti Ede Yoruba. This is what we'll be looking at today. The Yoruba alphabet. Now listen, as against the English language, we have 25 Yoruba alphabets. Alphabet Ede Yoruba ni ògidì lẹ́tà Yorùbá tí a so papọ̀ láti di odidi ọ̀rọ̀ kan tí ó ní ìtumọ̀ ní èdè Yorùbá. That is, these letters are what we join together to form words in Yoruba alphabet. Now note, letter U does not begin the Yoruba alphabet. So let's read the alphabet one after the other. A, B, D, E, F, G, B. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Sh, T, U, W, E. We have them in uppercase, so we have them in lowercase. As you can see on your screen, yes, we have them in capital letters. We also have them in small letters. Now, I want you to know that Yoruba is an interesting language. Come with me and enjoy it. You can see the way they are written and the way they are pronounced, as you can see on your screen. Alifabeeti Ede Yoruba pín sí ọ̀nà méjì, is divided into two. Ìró kọ́nsọ́náǹtì èdè Yorùbá àti ìró fáwẹ́lì èdè Yorùbá. We have the consonant sound and the vowel sound, and we are going to be looking at the two sounds today. Ìró consonant èdè Yorùbá pín sí méjì, so the consonant sound is also divided into two. We have the oral consonants and we have the nasal consonants. The oral consonants are B, D, F, G, B, E, G, K, L, P, R, S, Sh, T, W, E. While the nasal consonants is just two. We have Ni àti Mi, that's the N and the M. The vowel sound is also divided into two. We have the oral sound and the nasal sound. That is the oral vowels and the nasal vowel. The oral vowel is A, E, I, O, U, while the nasal is A, E, I, O, U. So let's join them together to give us words. K stands for consonant, F stands for vowel, then the outcome. We are will give you wa, li o will give you lo, g e will give you je. So let's form a bigger words. For example, if we have o, b, a we give you oba, that's king. If you have I, li, u we give you ilu, that is drum. If you have a, she, o we give you asho. I hope you enjoyed this class. We'll enjoy more. So let's assess ourselves. Kọ alifábẹ́ẹ̀tì èdè Yorùbá sílẹ̀ kí o sì lo ọ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan wọn láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ èdè Yorùbá. Write down the Yoruba alphabet and use them in words. Lo àwọn kọ́nsọ́náǹtì àrùnmúpọ̀ èdè Yorùbá. Use the Yoruba consonant nasal sound. Then kó sì lò wọ́n nínú ọ̀rọ̀. Use them to form words. That's it. Thank you.